Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do my turkey necks. Now I got some turkey necks here in a pot. I'm going to let them come to a boil, and then I'm going to rinse that water off and I'm going to start seasoning them. So when I come back, I would have rinsed them off, and then I would start seasoning them. Then I will let you know what seasoning I'm going to use. Okay, I'm getting ready to take my turkey necks and rinse them off real good. And I'm going to start adding my seasoning to them. Okay. So I'm getting ready to add my seasoning. I had to rinse them off, and I had to rinse my pot out and return it back to the pot. This is my sea salt. And I'm not doing it by measurement. And a little cayenne pepper. And a little black pepper. 1 bay leaf. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. I like to keep mine simple. I don't like a lot of seasoning in my turkey necks. It seems like to me it takes the taste away from it. So I'm gonna do a half an onion. You don't have to chop it up. Just throw your half an onion in there. And just for seasoning. So I'm just gonna let that cook for maybe, I like mine fall off the bone tender. So I'm gonna let this cook about 3 hours. And then when I come back, I'm gonna show, I guess that'll be my finished product. I'm back. My turkey necks are ready. So I'm getting ready to plate it up. Okay. I'm just gonna take a couple of out here and so you can see. Now, if you want gravy to this, you can make gravy. You know, on your turkey necks, it's up to you. I'll let you see it. Okay. And I like to put me a little Worcestershire on mine. And you can cook this. You can, put a little in there when you're cooking it. Okay, let you see it. These are my turkey necks. And it's tender, it's fall off the bone tender. Got little green onions on it. That's delicious. Yep. So these are my turkey necks that I boil. They're really good. And see how they just tear out the bone? Look. Meaty. Look at that. Just tear out the bone. Okay. Give you a good look. Okay. And then you want a good presentation. Just put your little parsley flake over it. You know, just for presentation. Yep. That's good. So if you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.